Why don't you just keep charging me for all kinds of stuff? It's all just subscriptions. It's nothing. Every time I turn around, there's another charge for another app or another stupid subscription. I don't mean any of that. You're not helping me. I have to be a self-publisher because that's just the way it is. I can't work for anybody. I have to be a writer, and you're not helping me. If you're not going to help me, just help me one time and get it over with. Give me $2 million, then I'll live off the interest, and then that's it. I won't have to ask for any more help ever again. Or anything. I won't have to self-publish or anything. I won't have to write another word or anything. Just get it over with. You just keep charging me and charging me and charging me. And I have hardly any money left over to live on. That's retarded. Are you retarded? Are you Nazis? Are you sick, fucking gross, sick Nazis? Do you hear me? Do you understand how sick that is to do to me? There was a fucking war. And Hitler died. Are we just more Hitlers fucking around with poor, disabled people's lives? What did you fight the fucking war for? You're just gonna be just like the ones you fought. Now this doesn't sustain me. Corn. There's nothing in it. This is just a filler. It's just cheap and easy. You don't let me buy fresh fruits and vegetables. You spoil them, and you make it impossible to keep buying them throughout the month because you pay me once a month. Don't you understand? Everybody has to eat fruits and fucking vegetables. See, you have to care about everybody, including me. I'm sick of this shit. This country gave birth to me, and it better live up to that. I'm sick of this shit. I'm out of my fucking fruit. And I don't have any vegetables. And it fucking matters. You just charge and charge and charge and charge for nothing but shit. You give me a computer to write with, and then you fuck me with a bunch of sick charges all the fucking time. To the point that I'm out of food and can't even go back to the novel I'm writing. And a movie star. That's what he said he was. Said he was a movie star. He said he was going to come over on Monday and give me $2 million. All nice and everything. All sexy and nice and handsome and everything. And then, and they're all there. But you have to help. That's what he said. But you have to help. You have to pay for it. You have to book a reservation to your home. So I listed all the things I have that he might think are worth the same amount of money he's expecting to give him. He told me to try to sell it myself. And I told him I can't give very much money to sell any of that. But I thought maybe he would find some of it more valuable than anybody else. After all that, I gave up and said, well, what about my body? How about just my fucking body? Is that going to be enough? It still wasn't enough. That's when he ended the conversation. And said, forget it. He said I wasn't serious. So what did he contact me for if that wasn't what he wanted in the first place? What else is it on the internet but a bunch of pictures and lovey-dovey words? Now I don't feel good. It wasn't great. I had a bunch of corn. I feel like shit now. Great lunch. There's nothing in it. What am I, fucking crawl or something? I feel like shit. That was gross. Bunch of crap. Bunch of salt and grease. But I have to crunch something. If you don't give me carrots to fucking crunch, I have to crunch a pile of shit. Suck. That was the grossest crap. Suck. I had to eat that shit again. You don't care. You don't give a shit about anything. You just want me fucking die on a pile of crap. I had to be a writer, you know? I'm not like some animal. in a fucking suit just eating and shitting. I had to be a human fucking being. I had to be intelligent and spiritual. And why do I have to tell you that? Are you apes? If you don't understand, what are you? Like fucking sick, retarded? Like the dumbest boneheads on planet Earth.